So perfect to have the book open because here we go now with Yankee Doodle. Let's see about our hand position. They're saying here first finger on C. That works for me. And they want that fourth finger on G. Once again, I'm going to say third finger on G, okay? And it starts off with an introduction, which is slow. Slow, okay? And you want to hold your pedal down and then lift it up for this introduction, okay? Slow introduction, then the speed changes to being bright and cheerful, okay? So let's come with me, and hands are in position like so. Ready, go. Sing along, 2, 3, 4. As I play this song, 2, ready, go. And Yankee Doodle went to town, riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Awesome. And remember, pedal down for the intro, then lift it up once we start playing the regular part of the song.